Good evening, everyone. My name is Srinija Manchkanti, and I'm here to talk about the proposed BMI screening policy. Even though this policy is very crucial in battling against childhood obesity, I do have some reservation about its effectiveness and the detrimental impact it can have on child's physical and mental well-being. Hence, I would like to discuss its flaws and present their alternatives that may eliminate or reduce the potential negative consequences that the current policy might present. Firstly, BMI screening is the most feasible and commonly used parameter. However, it is not so accurate in representing an individual's body fat. It is exclusive of many demographical factors such as body type, age, sex, race, bone density, and muscle mass. Solely depending on BMI might result in great inaccuracies. Hence, BMI should be paired with another body measurement such as waist circumference, and the standards should be adjusted according to the individual's demographics. Waist circumference measures the abdominal fat, which is harmful and is highly correlated with occurrence of many metabolic disorders, including obesity. This alternative also presents with some problems. Accuracy of waist circumference and many other feasible alternatives to BMI are not tested in children and adolescents. Hence, their effectiveness in this age group is not truly known. So, to fix this flaw, I would like to request the state officials to conduct more research on other alternatives, especially waist circumference, to check their accuracies. Implementing this alternative will not only be cost effective but can also provide results of higher accuracy. Lastly, children should be offered nutritional and behavioral support. The current policy might increase stigmatization of children in school, self-harm, and the risk of developing eating and behavioral disorders. The child should be consulted to a psychologist so that they can freely discuss their progress and their thoughts. This measure can increase their self-esteem and help to prevent children into developing disorders and seeking relief in dangerous trends, and also help them to effectively tackle bullying. However, this can pose a great financial implication on the schools. To make this alternative more feasible and effective, I would like the state officials to provide an informational seminar about this issue to the on-site health professional in school, and also should invite healthcare volunteers to help these professionals with the kids and help them in dividing the workload. These trained professionals should also guide the parents in dealing with their kids to avoid the potential stigmatization, and because parents can act as major support system for their children. Implementing these alternatives and additional requirements can help the policy in being more effective, efficient, inclusive, and also help the policy in maintaining the social equity of all individuals. Finally, I want to thank everybody for listening, and I hope that you will all consider my recommendations. As we all aim to reduce the prevalence of childhood obesity, and to do so, we should find a common ground for our methods to be more effective. Thank you.